Hello, viewers and my friends. Welcome to this particular edition of my Liberation Gospel. It borders on an issue going on in Nigeria at the moment. I thanked it, Ibe Kachiku's letter. Ibe Kachiku is the Minister of State for Petroleum in Nigeria, and he sent a memo for some of you who are Nigerians. You'll be conversant with the issue. But wait a moment, let me just reply a message before I continue. Yeah, I said I'm going to talk in Pidgin English. I said today I will talk for Pidgin English so that people will, many people fit understand what in the yarn. Brothers and sisters, when I know when a lot of people will come from Nigeria, when I see what's in the happen based on, say, Minister for State for Petroleum write a letter to Buhari on what's in the happen as Buhari they sick now. You know they around the London, they try to get himself. But many things where the guy point out for that letter. I want to make you look at that letter for my wall. I even post them on my wall. You fit go Africa World newspaper page for Facebook. You go see that letter where it landed there. Before I continue within our 1 year, it's important say. Some people will just defend Buhari. We talk and say, see what in Buhari they do. The guy gets record, and this thing no start today. The time where him be Minister for Petroleum, the time where even they never bonus 70 something. Money missed that time 2 point something billion. Then the time again where they can't come back under Abacha, can't do petroleum trust fund. Still, agree account, agree do account. They do what they want, and that time is still there biased. If you check record, you will see what's in there. Yeah. Then again, now. Many things don't happen for that petroleum. Why? When we talk this thing, it go be as if person just they talk unnecessarily. I say make I start this liberation gospel so that people will fit begin from my own side. People will go begin to understand what thing that happen for our system. Make the begin day. See I'm koro because it can't be as if say some of us we know one really. Know what thing they happen, and the thing be say now our money did the chop, now our life did they run, whether you like it or not. People wait there for government go they decide what thing go they happen, and it go they affect you. Now why would they talk say see what thing with the pursue? We don't tire for Nigeria because waiting they happen still they happen, and some of our people go they talk say this one, that one. I want, and now why I say this Ibe Kachuku letter, this one a small thing now. They never see anything. But the thing they say, it can't be as if they just carry juju whole. Even if say person do it, you fit talk say this thing don't go work for your side. My brothers, I don't know whether you don't see that letter. And this thing supposed to be an internal memo. When we say letter, an internal memo, if you don't do civil servant, many of us don't do all this clerical work, or maybe your papa or your mama, na civil servant. You know now, government, for inside organization, you get what they call internal memo, where person no go see. But this one, they can't just leak them outside. Come give them press. You know, say we dey press now, we just they leak things. Anyhow, where it come for our hand, we go just publish and make people they see them. Because it's very important, say people know what's in the happen. Now why I talk say the last government say it get one thing where they do where I like anything where we accuse Jonathan. What one thing where the guy actually he do things openly. Everybody knows say he get fault, but he still do things openly. See as they talk say they chop money, but still we can't know say they chop money. Even people will know before. But not be today where they chop Nigeria money now. Now that's in way Buhari they do now. They want to shut everybody up so that people no go they talk. So that people no go know what thing they happen for the system. Because if you know what thing they happen for system, you go verse, not be small verse. You go be some of the things where they happen. You go can't say, man, this thing don't do too much. Which kind of rubbish it is? Okay. I go take them step by step, but I say make I just, water ground. Make you begin to understand this thing where will they talk, the money where will they talk about these things, where the fraud where they happen, and you now they talk say Buhari na anti-fraud person. Buhari the corruption here, corruption there. They just sing out like chorus. If I tell you the kind of threat where I don't get because of this small talk where they talk for liberation gospel. Now to tell you, say, the country get problem. Some people still no one believe them. Country where everybody they suffer. Country where fit get something easily. Country where they go see something where they white. Can't talk say they black. Country where some people say na then get the country. And other people must to deserve them. Country where if you talk rubbish, they go just put you for detention. Country where people they're afraid. They're afraid to the talk. That one a country. Democracy where person no fit talk again. That one a democracy. Democracy where everybody they wait for. People, governor. That one a democracy. Democracy where minister no can get power again for people where they under ram. I mean that one a democracy. I just read the letter. I said make I talk on this Ibe Kachukwu letter. Make it no bias. Because the thing the verse, now why would they encourage our people to go school? They don't even want to make we go school. If they say we know the privilege, say you come from maybe family where they don't go school, or you struggle, train yourself, or you manage to, you they ambitious, go for North. Go see our brothers for North. They know they go school. They don't want to make them go school so that they don't go challenge them. Because if you go school, you go begin challenge the system. You go talk, say, look, this thing well now they do. I know if you tolerate them. And you don't go tolerate them. See, look, we talk. Buhari na Minister of Petroleum. Una say Buhari no they corrupt. Buhari na Minister of Petroleum. And you know say he no fit work. Say he sick. He still who Minister of Petroleum. At the hello now, my brother will help me. Good evening. At the hell you to Chidebe. Person say it they pursue it corruption. Una ever I just I just think every time they talk of Diezani, they laugh sometimes. They don't they sing now, even the whole Nigeria. Person we know get eye, we know they think. Go to say Diezani don't finish the whole money with the for Nigeria. Yes, Diezani chop money. You want to make a beginning them people where don't chop Nigeria money. Nobody they talk. There's a chop money, we know, but that one na my money now. There's a chop waiting Danjuma chop, a chop waiting Omar Diko chop, a chop waiting Babangida chop. The money where they tell us say they see for Ikoyi, or the money where EFCC don't they get, where the money they. Nigeria, now why we say we don't tire for Nigeria? We don't tire for the country. Make we go on our own. Una say we must do for Nigeria. Una go see problem, oh. Because una go see problem. When woman say he don't tire, he know they marry again. You go say he must marry you. My brother, he go bring problem. He go bring problem for you. Nigeria go see problem. Because they know things know they go well. Things know they go. See letter. I just see the letter. I can't say this one a minister. Okay, when we talk the time where Buhari enter power, it take 6 months before he begin appointments. He can't begin appointment. I see he begin this appointment. We think say he want to appoint, he want go have go collect people where you go appoint. After everything, he still appointed some rubbish people. Well, me and you know, say these people get leg. But because they support them, they give them money. Nigeria is going to keep quiet. It can't they do appointment. Can't they favor his own people? Can't they favor people from his own state? We talk, say this thing where this man they do, no, they good. Some people say, it's okay. Imagine president of country where different people they involve. Say if they appoint people where you know. If other people do them, everybody go begin holler. We go to holler. Say why they do this. If person from way from south do this thing where Buhari they do. I know Nigeria now. When I go say why they do this thing now, why they do this thing now? When I go criticize. Cause problem, then Buhari don't do them. Everybody say leave them. If they comfortable with these people, but he know what he need to do. He know say nonsense things go happen for in government. So you do appoint his own people. They empower them. They empower them. Now why he can't go? Now why he can't? I need, I hear you, my brother. Now why he can appoint people so that they go they cover Nyash? Now why they London for 100 and something days they cover them. Now why he do all those things? Okay, see, make we come to Kachiku letter. Kachiku write letter to president. When I remember say Kachuku they make him Secretary General for OPEC. When I remember, I don't talk this before for this my liberation gospel for oil glutons. They come immediately. Kachuku lasted was it not be 24 hours or 48 hours? Where he be Secretary General. They just come out the guy, put back in the Fulani guy there. When I remember that time I talk him, say, because the time we were this small, every time one man they be minister for petrol. I can't ask my papa question that time. Say every time this man now him they be minister for petrol. Now only him sabi petroleum issues for Nigeria. My papa say no, say he just get us. At that time I did small because I did read newspaper. The time where I did primary school. statesman. Rewan Lukman. It don't happen. That thing don't they happen again. They come out Kachiku for Secretary General OPEC. They last there for 24 hours or 48 hours. Come out and immediately put their brother back in. Then you can imagine greedy people. Buhari don't take position now as minister for petroleum. The main minister come make Kachiku minister for state. Make the world thing say this one. Now the more you look, now the less you see. No be Niger. At the time I lecturer for DCU here, WCT University, they teach African. I can't hand them one of my book, Political History of Nigeria. Person no go begin to tell me about Nigeria. Nigeria where I don't talk everywhere, read, lived in. What you go come tell me? Now why we come begin the talk, say we don't time for this country. We need the Republic of Biafra. Because nothing fit change. All of us are waiting say something will change. Now mumu. They won't make we begin fight because the thing say because they day for power. They use them. If I talk now, it will be as if this person just they talk rubbish or I want problem or I want quarrel. The country no fit change. Country where they no fit move forward. They tire for something. Some people just they give up. Because they give up, they want everybody make it give up. Kachiku, now one of the people where they appointed as ministers for this government, so that the government goes still look credible. Because the guy has first class material. I know say I hear say my country but now first class guy too. I know they take that one away from. But not because they don't see as things be. So they pick their best. Then others, they go just subdue them. If you go guess up, now many people get first class now. We know that one. We know come here to talk of people who get first class or no first class. See letter, Minister of State, as of right, NNPC General Manager, Group General Manager, supposed they under Minister. After the main minister, which is Buhari, then Minister for State. As Nigerian president, the day agreed now, Obasanjo started. Obasanjo started it. Give himself a minister for petroleum, and Buhari don't take over again. All of them now oil be their problem. Oil, when we talk, it go be as if we just they talk unnecessary. Oil be their problem. To tell you, say these people no like Nigeria. And when we they talk, it go be as if we talk too much. Sorry. It go be as if we they talk too much. Can you imagine? I want you to make you go Africa World Newspaper Facebook page. I told the admin to post the letter there, make everybody read that. For this page, my page too, I still post them so that you go fit read them. As Kachiku pointed out, and they come one by one. But first, that song of anti-corruption where Buhari they sing every time, and Buhari supporters, now when we talk, say this man a lie. Apart from say the man, they're incompetent, if you do anything. If you check him very well, Buhari is a very incompetent person. But the problem is say, based on say where you come from, una know as Nigeria be now, and the military. Now why they come out for the first time where the military president, they don't say this man, no, they carry Nigeria go anywhere. Babangida and Co, they just come out the man. Because the man gets as his mentality be. I'm a very biased man, and they wicked unnecessarily. That one, no one. I don't check him. The time where Buhari the Minister for Petroleum under Obasanjo. Also, money missed that time. 2.8 billion. 2.8 billion. As at that time, 70 something, you go check that kind of money. No be today when they begin chop Nigeria money now. We go to talk, people just they suffer. They don't want to do it. If what thing they happen for Nigeria, if it happen for many countries, I mean that country go sink. People will remain, make the continue life. Because the thing they first, how money like this go boko, people go to suffer. I just watch one documentary, what Transparency International just they do for London. They just they go around, they point Nigerians we steal money, our oil money, we they buy properties. You see, Cameron the other day say Nigeria they're fantastically corrupt, whereas not them be the people where they hide money, where they steal. London go they talk. That is now why they will no one make Nigeria divide. Because they chop us dry. They suck our blood like such a fly. Yeah, they talk of design against property. Abdul Salam Abubakar, and they talk of sometimes people know they remember that man. I know they forget him. I did small, but I can't see this man under how many months. Say one transfer power. The man liquidate Nigeria money. Nobody they talk about that one. Because he just hand over civilian, we just they pamper them. Okay, this one don't happen again. Man. Minister, civil servant where they under them, no go obey them, and everybody just they keep quiet. People go they talk. We're lawyers, we're Nigerian lawyers. Where on go they talk, on a no fit talk. I mean, if a civil servant no fit obey minister. I know. Wait, I go talk the money where they miss here. The kind of money where they give contract. Now things where if it happen for many countries. Now impeachment. One touch, they go just impeach the president. Because I no see reason why. I no see reason why this kind of amount they come out without even approval for National Assembly. This money where they talk now billions of dollars. Billions of dollars. And when we they talk Nigerians, how can you see that oil, this oil, we don't talk oil. Oil be their problem for Nigeria. Nothing more. Now oil. Now oil be their problem for the country. And what thing that happen now? They don't empower themselves again. Because now money for Nigeria and now money for hand, back for crown. When you get money, you go see people. And they go make sure say they impoverish people. People no go get money so that when they now offer people money, they can now, you go see person where you agree something with, they go just give them money, that person go just forget himself. You go come the wonder, sit now see you. Now what thing they happen for this country? Kachiku just wrote a letter planning. For the country. You can't they state out what's in there happen as Buhari no day now. Conde, because NNPC get board and I'm the chairman of the board. As per se, substantive minister no day now. Now Minister of State supposed they're in charge. Appointments, contracts, everything. He's supposed to know what's in the happen. But in this case, the cabal that Fulani Hausa cabal will hold the government. Just they tell Kachiku, they tell my Kantibal what he could do. They don't accuse them a lot of things. They accuse them, say they're anti-North. You know, each time they want deceive our brothers, Middle Beltons, they go call North, one North. They go use the name North. They deceive others. We know now, but many of our people no. Middle Beltons. You see, when anytime they want chop something or they want collect power, they go say Middle Belt. Middle Belt, when another give person away from Benue State president. Every time Middle Belt. But when it comes to, okay, give president to somebody from Benue State so that we go know say una dey serious. Now this thing, Nigerians, una too they forget. Now this thing, una they remember broadcast of Gideon Oka. Gideon Oka not be Middle Belt guy. Gideon Oka be one comot 5 states, 5 core northern states from Nigeria. He took him for the broadcast now. Well, now I want make I read the broadcast again. He say if these people, before they will go, still they absorb them for Nigeria, they go. Promise of say they go change their ways. Another book again where Esama Alabi writes. He said the tragedy of victory. He said as they carry fights, kill millions of Biafrans. Say some people don't corner the victory. They chop the money. Only them. Now all your money. See the Danjumas now. You get the time where Danjuma just say, just know how $500 million just came from nowhere. So had to open up some charity organization so that the children no go begin fight over that money. I know they forget. I don't think when I read that interview, when I did small for Nigeria, I know they forget that interview. We they talk Diezane, every minute, Diezane. We they sing them for song. I talk them, waiting Diezane even chop. But because, say, some people, when we talk about it, will be as if are they against, I know they're against Yoruba people. No, I know they're against Yoruba people. Even I know they're against Hausa people. But a section where they don't empower, even among other ethnic groups, because for them to chop, now they go pick few people will be Hallelujah boys. For Igbo land, they the same. For Edo, the same nation. They go pick, handpick people. We go be Hallelujah boys. Empower them, then begin. Those people go now begin the deal with the people. You can imagine Southeast governors. They even rush, declare IPOB terrorist organization. See Mumu people. They say they be governors. They rush, declare IPOB terrorist organization. Ban them. The one way they for Ebony. That one now Mumu to Aboki. We know how they even look at Aboki. Then somebody will become Mumu to Aboki. He said he go rehabilitate IPOB members. I just they look. I just they look at the laugh. Nothing where we know fit see for that country. Now why is they good to go to school? Go school, read, travel around, see what thing they happen for other country. Mix up with people. Then if you can't look your country, you can't defense. You can't say which kind of thing be this. You can't say if they go even sink new nuclear bomb for Nigeria, make everything perish. Make new creation come out. Because the country the first people. It the first. Poverty in the midst of plenty. See, Minister of State for Petroleum is complaining about a civil servant where they under him. Say the board where they in charge, they know they follow protocol because they're very arrogant. They don't talk and say they are born to rule. Now them they in charge. Would they see these things as politics? No, it's not about politics. Some people see it because some people see it as just mere politics. Why? It not be mere politics. Mere politics that a civil servant refuses to obey his minister. And when they talk about this, he gets bored where they I don't investigate, inquire. Can't see say Buhari even they aware for some of the approvals. Can you imagine that? I even write them down. You get contract, they say crude term contract, $10 billion. Contract of $10 billion was awarded. And he did under the law say any contract worth 20 something or 20, I think that it should be 20 million or $20 million and above. You should have authority. But these people, this is why they hated that Jonathan government. Because the man just come, make everything transparent. Buhari is a corrupt man, very corrupt man. We're going to talk of corruption. Look at people. Charlatans, goons, idiots. Going to talk, say, this man, they on anti-corruption crusade. Because they are looking for peanuts. Because they are looking for appointments and crumbs that will fall down from the governmental table. They go just they praise unnecessary. I mean, shouldn't government be open? I've always said this. Government should be transparent. I mean, Akajaja, my people say you have to eat from where you work. I mean, contract, yes, you can give a contract of, $10 for something that should that you will spend $8. $2 will be for logistics, and everybody knows that when you are doing contract, that you must gain. No, I mean, I'm not against people getting from contract. There are service charge, logistics, miscellaneous expenses, but not the contract where you're supposed to use $1 million. You will now put $1 billion. This is what happens in Nigeria. So how we go keep quiet? See, my country borrow, they approve something where you no get powers to do. You got the approval. Can you imagine? $10 billion contracts. They call it. Many of you are into petroleum, so you should know better than I do. Crude term contract worth $10 billion. He approved it without minister knowing. There's another one they call DSD contract. DSD contract. $5 billion. This is not be small money. Yeah, Blessed and Jocko is just contributed here. Said, tell them we are all tired of this confused and wicked country. That's why my knowledge, information, people need to know about these things. Because now why at the top, some people will just see you and insult you, say, look at this poor waiting. My own money, your own money. They are taking this money and insulting you on top of it, talking you down, bringing you. I said it one time. I lived in Eboma, where my parents lived. We lived, behind us was the pipeline for 10 years. Pipe, oil, they run oil, they run pipelines, pipelines bigger than human beings. They run to Kaduna. For 10 years, we lived in that place. Pipelines, oil was running. It's billions and billions and billions of pounds. They don't siphon them for Nigeria. No, people get money for the country. Whereas millions, therefore, they suffer poverty. Blessing just said it. Wicked country. I never see. I said, if there will be atomic bomb to sink Nigeria, make them sink the country. Honestly. Because in a very wicked country. Now, why we say we don't tire for the country? Why we not go tire? Our youth just they pursue nonsense. You know, people just they suffer in the midst of plenty. Why you not go the first? The thing where they pay me, they go see common person where they suffer, they hungry. They go see kill that person. What do you go do now? Because the people when they steal money, they go carry security, put themselves. They go don't even turn the brain of people. They go bring religion. They clash then ethnicity. I talk and say, with the talk of Biafra, we want Biafra. Because we don't get tired. The ordinary Nigerian, maybe Yoruba or Hausa or Middle Belter, go they say, make gonna shut up. Biafra, this is Biafra. You yourself will say, shut up. Are you okay? You do okay? Those people where they chop that money, they give you. We want Biafra because Nigeria don't tire us. People no fit talk. Nobody say if things they okay, nobody go to talk of Biafra. But we don't tire now. Say Yoruba man they okay as he did. Say Middle Belt and no one talk. He do okay now. Say Hausa man still one continue to be mumu as he want be. Say people no one talk again. People they okay as they be. Each a man they okay to the suffer. Bini they okay. Ona they okay. Ona want make our girls continue to they do prostitution now. You think say the one now if they get job or people go they travel through routes. They sink for Mediterranean Sea. They take that kind of risk. Say they want come Europe. Nobody even say money there. The only thing where they here say we get basic amenities, electricity. Not every country say they. We get basic things. Then at least they get value for human life. Yeah, get as it be, say you don't the hunger, if you just go fall down for road. Ambulance will just come pick you. Come sort you out. But Nigeria, go fall down for Agege now. Or they go say which can this. Moto go even people accident go happen for Nigeria they work. People go they move. Which kind country be that? Which kind country be that? See. Man, because if I begin to talk, the thing I go begin digress. Now Buhari still appointed Ibe Kachiku. Say make it be as if okay. If you still look that south now, you go say no, no, south, we are south, we are Niger Delta. I talked about before for my part one, Niger Delta. I say who are the Niger Deltans? Ibe Kachuku is from Delta State. But in Mama, in Mama from Uguta. Everybody want deny say you no get anything to do with Southeast. Because Southeast, they like second-class citizens for Nigeria. Okay, see what's in common managing director they do in Home Minister. If they give contracts, I never even finish. The first one, This one way na bulk money way Kachiku talk crude term contract of $10 billion, DSD contract of $5 billion, financing allocations over $3 billion. Then MPDC production service, where they run between $3 to $4 billion. This one a billion we talk. The video talk about now 30 billion for your account too. But even people call the debate, they don't know whether na naira or this one na dollars, $billion. When they talk say the country during recession, there's no money in the country. This and that and this. We both the look now. They laugh. This is why youth must resurrect. We go, even if it's to fight, we will fight and get what we want. Because we cannot continue with this. We cannot continue with this rubbish. I mean, poverty in the midst of plenty. I mean, if we don't take risk, things cannot be okay. If we don't say this thing has to stop, it will not stop. But it's good. My people say if they're good, make breeze, make wind, open the national fowl so that we go see them. Because the ways of God is not the ways of human beings. I talk initially. I say the government of Buhari na good omen for Nigeria. Because the thing done. People, I know say people, you go be say people they fear, yeah, people they fear, but many people don't they open eye for what thing they happen for that country. Now very wicked country now, very wicked country, very mean country. It just they just bring devil say make could rule the country. Some people come they do church. Anyway, I know blame because that one now the most lucrative sector to get employment, not church. Because the Bible where they read, see men of God, they know they fear. They challenge all of them now, where they for Bible. And they talk as if now only that they read Bible, come preach. The judges, prophets, people where they preach for the Bible, for change. They don't fear anybody now. Ahab, you know what? Elijah them, Jeremiah them. Our people no fit even talk. But we thank God say Ibe Kachuku at least. Now the credible people were there for this government. They don't talk. They don't write letter. We thank God said the letter just leak. Make everybody see them now. See. Group managing director tomorrow. I say civil servants waiting for federal parastatals. They be billionaires for that country. That is why you go see them. They carry their people, fix everywhere. Southerners, if they come for South, they will just handpick. I talked them before for Yoruba land, they empowered Muslims until people begin kick, they come put ambode. For East now, they don't empower Mumu people. We no fit even defend their own people. Those people now go see appoint some people. All of them, some of them they online. They even challenge. They dish out propagandas. If they appoint these people, they will just after some time they will just command them appoint new set of people. Make sure say they touch different people so that people go. You know, hallelujah, boys. See, $10 billion, $5 billion, this $1 billion. We just they read them. Nigeria get money like this, people they suffer. See, my country, you know, they follow protocol. Kachiku just they complain. Say this things don't they happen, and you don't they follow them diplomatically, but nothing. You know, they respect them. You know, they respect the minister. And Buhari know these things because they say from the documents, the country say Buhari give approval. So now the kind of person where that Buhari be. Kachukwu just there. Make it just be as if, okay, South people, when I get people now. He just did, they do anything. The Kappa just the wrong things. When I say this one, the country. When I say we're there for democracy. This one, a democracy. The letter, I asked them to post it on Africa World Newspaper. Go and read it. Read the content. They laid down on the letter, everything. He just stipulated it out sequentially. Nice paragraph. Talk them. Very simple. Now, what thing they happen for the country? Now, why we they tired? Oyibo even know. UK they chop now. They chop. How many northerners where Britain don't catch for corruption? Only southerners they catch. They catch Ibori, catch Alamese. Now, then they don't. Now these people chop Nigeria money pass. I know say they chop money, but now they chop Nigeria money pass. Go check history of general managing directors for NNPC. See who. At the talk, I started asking this question when I was very small. I asked my dad, who be this man? I want to look man. Every time I be petroleum minister. Every time I be special advisor petroleum. Every time. These some people don't get petroleum, but then they run the show. Una want us to take it like that. When we talk, it be as if person be radical. But no, how can we just be taking this rubbish? We go just they suffer. We go school finish, they suffer. Unless we sing hallelujah, we come bow to non-entities, then we will come chop. And our young boys no fit take risk. This generation, people just they selfish. If they buy their Hummer Jeep, they go to say they don't arrive. If they buy the latest car in town, they go to say they go just they show off. They go to say everything they okay. Some go just try erect a solid mansion. They go to say the world has ended. Now this thing, I mean, when we Nigerians begin to wake up, because it's not about say these people they pursue Biafra or something. No, this is about the system they bad. The system they bad. The system they bad. See, and this is why, because that petroleum every day as Nigeria wake up, millions they point to account. As Nigeria, whether they will do anything or not, it's just they like, you know, family where the father don't make money, lay foundation for money. So the man don't become stinkingly rich, can't let her die. So in children, no one work again. They just did. Because investments there now, companies there, it's just a turnover. Money. Whether they go to work or not, they can be sleeping. The money could show. And so Nigeria be. The letter was dated 30th August. The letter where memo, internal memo where Kachukwu. And it is very confidential. They can't come. We can't say, man, this country. This thing now brings to that way we talk. Efficiency and transparency. When I say Baba Buhari a transparent man, see him. Even the contracts where they give, he gets information about these contracts. What did he do? What did he do for this? He just allow him now. And now these same people, they know say the man no do anything. They go use all this money, share finish, bring her back to power, force them, rig election, carry army, put Operation Python, kill people where they are afraid, go just run. You know, before you know it, hey, Buhari, give newspapers, all those hungry editors for Lagos, give them money. No be one press this thing now. Advisor go see. I don't know whether they advise them, but you know Nigeria, they will give money. Somebody no go talk to her again. Now why we just get tired of the system? So where is the anti-corruption story we want to talk? All of them where they support Buhari. Where the anti-corruption? Someone wanna remind me that on a chorus again. Where they? For NNPC, they get bored though. They get bored. Where that board, they say they get what do they call NNPC board service committee, where they get powers to review everything, appointments, retiring service executives, recruitment, and go there now. Now them food here. Now them they employ. My country barrow go boycott all these things. Do everything. Recruiting people. Give contracts. You know, share money. Whether on a like them or not. Can you know feel imagine? And nothing will happen. Minister no get power again. And I know say you know one resign because shame. They catch him. Because if he resign himself, they will come arrest him. They will come hang one allegation for his head. Now Nigeria, not be Nigeria again. Some people go say, yes, not true. Not true. The guy na criminal. This guy. Something supposed to happen for that country. It shows that this government doesn't have standard. You know, the government don't get standard. But anyway, that's now this is where they talk. If you be in Nigeria, if you talk, they're not going to take you serious now. Because say country we're criminals, they're on the show. This one will come now. Not be one of them. Nigeria no get reputation. Nigeria no get reputation because our government people no get reputation. They no get reputation. So my brother see him. Ibe Kachiku. You can't wait with the talk. It could be as if. My people say waiting. Elder sit down, see. If small pikin climb or stand up, you know go see him. So with the talk of restructuring, how we go begin talk of restructuring? Now the talk of restructuring. How we go begin talk of restructuring? Restructuring for the same National Assembly where they don't cook and finish, cook the whole soup, cook them the way, cook two ocean kafa the way where they go like the test, come bring them, say make everybody the chop up. Chibos of the say Nigeria is like a building without foundation. They think this time around it's like 1967 to 1970. Now they talk about Nigeria. You don't see, you don't talk about Nigeria is like a building without foundation. Not true. The country not get foundation. Which kind of foundation? But we need to act now. We not go act. Something must happen. Now why? This one not be say Igbo people though, when they look for Biafra, or Ijaw people when they talk Biafra, or Asian people, or Edo people, or TV, or Angas, or Ibibio, or Hausa, or Birom, or Nupe. The problem na Nigeria problem. It affects everybody. it affects everybody. And if we don't talk, say, okay, restructure, how will we carry restructure the country? They no go agree now. Unless you can't hold them for truth. Because if you not act like a madman, we do go sort the problem. We no go sort the problem. The thing they bad, they pain, but we must have to act. We must have to act. Because the money is too much. And the suffering, they plenty. Can you imagine EFCC see money for Ikoyi? Huge sums of money. Nobody agree. Say na your own. Because he get enough now. Wickedness, where wickedness they manifest. Nanaja. Brothers and sisters, see. Ibe Kachugu. We would say, at least they got respect, say this one, they bring credibility to their government. They don't write letter. Now to tell you, waiting many of them were even there for that in cabinet. They see. But because say if they come out, this government now, the government where if you resign now, they will just EFCC will begin pursuing you now. Or they use one other thing, just accuse you one thing, deal with you. So some of them go even the fear to resign. Some of them go even na dictator. They fit kill you. Talk saying a person kill you. They will do them now to be Nigeria. $10 billion, $5 billion, another $3 billion, another between $3 to $4 billion, plus other $1 billion, plus other $1 million. Where things that happen. Nigeria, make una wake up. It's very important. Say make we wake up. This is terrible. It's terrible. But it is good. Say we dey see these things so that we go know say this man where people had another criminal. But when you go to pretend, no. Britain be say the country they too divided. So now why you know people they talk about revolution? I say no, you know if it happen now for Nigeria. The people won't get chance to fix Nigeria, the military people. They can't fuck them up. The people wait for try now Gideon Okadem. Because they mad themselves, they don't use them for middle belts. They can't wake up. But based on say the day near them, they fear. Because all these Fulani people, when they shoot them, they take their land. They kill them anyhow. We just begin here and now because social media. Now today we they begin deal with them. What think they carry deal Hausa people? Hausa just lose everything. Hausa no come get mouth for the land of their own ancestors. Foreigners invaded the place and took it. And they use them one knot. Under them one knot, they will come, they handle Nigeria. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? Which way to go? Which way to go? I remember that song, Soliokus, I love my fatherland. I want to know which way Nigeria. Imagine. So now why we say we just don't tire for this country. We need, they don't want to make we sit down and organize things. We won't organize the country. They don't even win. If they know say you should do something better, they don't want to give you that chance. Mad people and the same Nigerians go still they support them. Una know they tire for this thing. Una know they shame. Say nothing they happen for the country. Some of you there, how they see you now. If they go there abroad here, they go they travel. Immediately they reach Murtala Mohammed Airport, they go begin they complain. They complain as if say that juju don't hold them. They go complain. This country, nothing works. This and that, that and this. If you still talk of okay, something you say, hey, Omo Igbo man, forget that Biafra. So, but you still know say things not the work. Is this a curse to our generation? If it is not a curse, then something should happen. Something should happen. We need to begin to sensitize every Nigerian, because this thing cannot continue. Something must happen. Something must happen. And it has to start from you. Making up your mind. Say enough is enough. I don't tell them people where they find ambassador for this election, what they do. If they give you money, chop them. Do the right thing. Vote who you want to vote. We don't tie for Nigeria. Honestly. But it's an eye-opener. And we'll see what happens. But definitely something is going to happen. Something is going to happen, because it can't continue like this. It can't. Thank you for listening to me. I'll still be your man. Oka. I wish you the best. And before Blessing say, even if it's a curse can be broken. Exactly. Curse can be broken. But we need to do something, especially the youths. Because if we don't do something, we are leaving a burden on upcoming generation. If Nigeria no go do okay, we want our own country. By hook or by crook, it will come to pass. So make and I not just lose mind. The ways of God are not the ways of people. So you can keep laughing, but you're laughing at yourself. Thanks, and God bless you.